I am having the hair loss and I am losing the hair continuously, and it is in front line and sides of the head. So after continuous loss of hair, something looking uncomfortable.
Like there are many clinics out there, why did you prefer VCare? Hello and welcome, myself Gautam. Today we are at VCare Skin and Hair Clinic with one of our valued client who has recently undergone a hair transplant and now he is ready to share his experience with us from the beginning. Hello sir, please tell us where are you from, what's your name and what you do.
My name is Sai Krishna Prasad and I am from Hyderabad, and I am working in a private company as a manager.
Now let's start from the beginning. How was your hair condition before visiting to VCare and how was it affecting you?
Before coming to the VCare, I am having the hair loss and I am losing the hair continuously, and it is in front line and sides of the head.
So when did you decide to take care of the hair?
So after continuous loss of hair, little much the scalp is showing and sides also there is a lost hair. So that's why something looking uncomfortable. That means we are looking at the aged. So that's why I decided.
So how did you first hear about VCare?
So I'm watching in television. I got the confidence basing on your ads on the TV. I was decided to go to visit the VCare.
And now how was your consultation at VCare?
So I come to the VCare and they treated very good. They are taken that sample and they are tested me. They tested how my hair is, how my scalp is there, it is possible. So much of results is there, so much of choice is there to grow the hair. So they given the confidence to me.
Like there are many clinics out there, why did you prefer VCare?
I was already told I was not visited so many, but I got the confidence basing on your ads on the TV.
Okay.
So maybe there is 100% chances and 100% results. So that's why I decided and come here.
Awesome. What were you expecting before the procedure?
Before the procedure, the doctors was shown me what they get the results for other persons taking the surgery. So after testing, they myself and the doctors also given the confidence for growing the hair.
Tell us about the day of your procedure at VCare. How was your experience?
So before going to the procedure, got the medical tests also. They are very much satisfied that I don't have any side effects. In that day, they treated very good. After that, it is taken near about 4 to 6 to 8 hours, and the surgery and treatment also very good.
So did you feel any pain during the procedure?
So before going to the procedure, they given me the anesthesia, local anesthesia, and after that there is a slightly pain is there, not that much of irritation and pain.
So what was the aftercare instruction did you receive from the doctors?
So the doctor was given so much guidance, food habits, and there is no alcohols, no tobacco chewing, and we must take the care when we go to the bed, to the bed. So they given the good guidelines. We taken the hair transplantation, so we have to take care. So if we not take care ourselves, then it should not be having the better results.
All right. So how soon could you get back to your normal routine?
So after guidelines of doctors, I was taken 15 to 20 days as per their procedure and care and the medications. So after 15 to 20 days, I was in normal condition.
Now, when did you feel the big transformation?
So there is after continuous checkups, I feel in the 5th month, there is a good result in hair growth.
And how has this changed your confidence?
So the people they are saying that it is now looking good.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I get the confidence. The people who are saying like that.
People started appreciating.
Yes.
Okay.
Because before that, I am something looking uncomfortable. Now you can observe my hair also. So it is a very good growth. And I'm good. I'm having a confidence.
What would you say to someone considering a hair transplant at VCare?
The people are watching me, my friends and my colleagues and some family persons. So they are observed that they are asking me how there is a change. Given the suggestion to my friends also, some of my friends to take the hair transplantations because they are also facing the same issue. So I was given the better suggestion to visit the VCare. So because it is having the 100% results.
Okay. Now, how do you feel today about your decision?
I feel very good. I am now after 8 months. This is now going 8 months. So in this month, the hair growth is very good, and I am very much satisfied behalf of this VCare because the growth, the result is very good. That's why I am very happy.
So it was nice meeting you, sir. Thank you for sharing all the experience at VCare. So as we heard all the insights of Sai Krishna, sir, thanks for watching this video.